Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you a effective hairspray for fast hair growth. If you are suffering from bald patches and hair fall, then this is the hairspray which you would want to use regularly to grow your hair longer, thicker, shinier. If you want to know, please continue watching. This hairspray is made of two simple ingredients which are easily available in your kitchen. First is these yellow seeds or the fenugreek seeds, which are very good for your hair. They contain rich source of iron and protein. They also have flavonoids and saponins, which would help to promote hair growth because of their antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. The fenugreek seeds will also help to grow your hair as it contains mucilages which promote the hair growth and stop hair fall. They will grow your hair thick and strong. The next ingredient is this Kalonji seeds, known as black seeds or Nigella sativa. These are very good for your hair. It will stimulate hair growth. It will promote hair growth in thinning areas because it has high concentration of thymoquinine, a powerful antihistamine, which would stimulate your scalp and help the growth of your hair. Kalonji oil or water can be used directly on the scalp to reduce inflammation and also sensitivity. Even if you don't have any scalp issues, you can use this daily to promote hair growth and also help to reduce hair fall. To make this hairspray, I am taking 1 tablespoon each of this yellow seeds and black seeds, that is the Kalonji seeds and the fenugreek seeds. Combine it and grind it into fine powder. This powder can be used whenever you want. You can store it in an airtight container and keep it for more than 2 months. You can use this in hair oil. You can mix it as a hair pack and also make this hairspray. So to make this hairspray, I am taking 1 cup of hot water, just warm water, and I am going to add 1 teaspoon of this Kalonji and fenugreek powder. This is for my shoulder length hair. If you have long hair, you can just increase the quantity of the water, and after you mix everything, you just need to close it and keep it for a few hours until this is good enough to be used. You can soak this powder overnight also and use the hairspray the next morning. Here I have just soaked it for 3 to 4 hours. After soaking, you need to strain it, that is separate the residue from the solution. The solution or the water which you have separated is the hairspray. To make this more luxurious, I'm just adding few drops of avocado oil. You can use any hair oil which you would want to use, like coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, anything which you have. Adding oil to this hairspray is an added benefit. So here I'm going to transfer the hairspray into a spray bottle. Using a spray bottle is easier for me. If you don't have, you can use even a cotton ball, dip it into this hairspray and apply it onto your scalp along the length of your hair also. So this hairspray is ready. This is suitable for all hair types. This is the best way of giving a hair treatment daily. You don't have to wash your hair after you use this. So there are so many advantages of using this hairspray. First, this gives nourishment to your scalp, improves hair growth, reduces hair fall, and also gives a shine to your hair. And this is easy to make, and you can, even if the hairspray remains, you can keep it in the refrigerator and use it the next day. Use it daily. Just make sections into your hair and apply this, give a massage and let it dry for few hours, and you are good to go. You don't have to wash your hair also after using this. So this doesn't build up, or this doesn't give any residue on your hair. So you can see the difference within few weeks depending on your hair type and your age. So try this and see how it works for you. This is a simple way of giving the best treatment to your hair. So if you want more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, like this and comment.